Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Venmo account step by step clearly. First, confirm that Venmo is available in your country and that you have a U.S. phone number. On your iPhone, open the App Store, or on Android, open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Venmo and select the official app by Venmo, Inc. Tap download or install and wait until the app finishes installing. Open the Venmo app from your home screen. Tap Sign Up to start creating a new account. Choose whether you want to sign up with your phone number or your email address. Enter your phone number or email and tap Next. Create a strong password that you do not use on other apps. Tap Next and allow the app to send a verification code if prompted. Check your SMS or email. Then enter the verification code in the app. Type your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your legal ID. Create a unique username that is easy for friends to find. Add a profile photo if you want, or skip this step and add it later. Review the permissions requests and choose what you want to allow. Set your privacy default for payments, such as private if you are a beginner. Read the terms and privacy policy, then tap to agree if you accept them. From the home screen, tap the menu icon and go to Settings. In Settings, open Identity Verification if Venmo asks you to verify your identity. Enter the required details carefully, such as date of birth and address. Return to the main screen and tap Add a bank or card to connect a payment method. Choose Bank Account to link a bank, or Card to add a debit card for faster use. If you select Bank, choose Instant Verification or Manual Verification and follow the prompts. If you select Card, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Confirm the added payment method and complete any small verification steps shown. Go to Notification Settings and turn on alerts for payments and security. Optional, but recommended. Enable extra security like a PIN or biometric lock if available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.